Hi guys, so welcome to our Home with Heart series. I'm Frances.
And I'm Tiffany.
And we're from Decor Steals if you guys haven't been following us. So again, welcome to our series, Home with Heart, and we'll be talking about...
We're going to be bringing you all kinds of fun things, different DIYs, inspirational stories, home decor inspiration, all kinds of fun things coming your way with Home with Heart. So with Valentine's Day just around the corner, our first episode of Home with Heart, we are bringing you some fun DIY projects. The first one, we are going to frost some donuts. Who doesn't love a sweet? So it's a really fun DIY project to gift to a loved one or a friend. And we have the final project right here. We'll show you how we got there, and then stay tuned because we have a second really cool, fun idea for you as well.
So as you can see, we have our donuts here for our cute little idea. So instead of doing like a traditional card, we thought it'd be cool to put a nice fun spin. So we're icing donuts, adding some nice cute sprinkles to them. And then we even have these really cute cutouts that you guys can add to your donuts. And there's your cool spin on a traditional type card.
And it's really easy, you guys. Like, we've made this so simple. We got store-bought donuts, store-bought frosting. Nothing has to be fancy unless, of course, you're the chef of the house and want to do things homemade. But we're working moms, we're busy, so we just tried to make it as simple as possible. We just bought some frosting, added some red food coloring to make it pink. We'll put on some cute festive sprinkles.
And
so simple.
And Mom never has to know that all this was store-bought.
That's right. No one has to know. And this is a really fun thing to pull the kids on board too. Your kids would have so much fun decorating these with you. And then what we did, we let them sit for a minute, stuck it in the freezer to let it harden up a little bit before we stuck it in the bag. So once it got a little bit more firm, we just put them in these cute little simple gift bags. Cut the top so you didn't have too much on top. And then we have these printout cute little cards. They say different things on them, like, you don't know how much I appreciate you, do not ever let me go, I do not know what I would do without you. And we simply just print these off, cut them out, get some twine or some cute ribbon, and tie it on and call it a day. Your friends and loved ones will love them.
And even you can bring them to your kids' class. Maybe they're having a cute little Valentine's Day party. These are a perfect little addition that you guys put your own twist on instead of just running straight to the store and just buying store-bought cookies, even though most of this is store-bought.
It's a fun little personal touch.
So, as we included that we have these cute little printables. So basically where you guys can go, you can go to our link in bio on our Instagram, click our link in bio, and then we have a landing page there where it will have these cute little printables that you guys can just print, cut them out, and then, just add them to your own little DIY project like we're doing here.
Let's get a close up of the final project. They look so cute. Make them your own. Don't ever let me go, it says.
So our second trick that we have that we want to show you guys, we're making a cute little sugar scrub that you guys can fill in little mason jars. So we already pre-made one just so you guys can see what it looks like. It's a really cute, simple recipe that you guys can just make. It'll be cute for one of your friends, somebody who needs a little bit extra pampering, for our hard-working moms. So we'll show you guys how we achieve this.
So you'll be able to access the recipe and these cute printable little card cutouts by visiting our link in bio, and you'll click on the link, you'll go to the landing page where you'll enter your email address, and we will send you the recipe for the scrub as well as these printables that you can print off and cut out and add to your donuts and add to your scrubs.
So let's jump right into it. So we have coconut oil, we have our sprinkles, we have sugar. So what we're gonna do first is we have to melt our coconut oil. So we just did 3 big scoops of coconut oil. The recipe will have the exact measurements, but we kind of winged it a little bit. So we're gonna do 3 giant scoops of the coconut oil. Oh, thank you. So then we're gonna have some hot water here on the table where we're just gonna melt down the coconut oil. You guys can do it on your stovetop, but you know, we're a little bit limited here in the office. So we just had some nice hot water where we're just gonna melt down the coconut oil. So once that melts down, sorry, let me just borrow that. Once that melts down, then we'll go ahead and we'll mix it. We'll mix in our sugar. So it's melting.
You can adjust the recipe, you know, as you wish to get it the consistency that you like.
We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pour it in our bowl. So I'm just gonna pour this in the bowl. Obviously, it'll go by a lot faster when you guys do it on your stovetop. So we're gonna add 1 cup of sugar for our 1 mason jar. So we're just gonna add 1 cup of sugar that we're gonna mix in there.
We have 2 in here because
we have our 2
measured out for 2, but you'll just do 1.
Exactly. So then, while I'm melting this coconut oil, you can go ahead and add your essential oils. We just chose lavender and some orange. You guys can choose, you know, whatever scents you feel like are gonna smell best. And again, like Tiffany said in the beginning, you guys can mix it to your own consistency. If you guys want more coconut oil than you want sugar, that's completely up to you guys. And again, the recipe will be linked in our link in bio. You guys are gonna sign up with your email, and then you guys can get these cute little printables, and you guys will get the recipe as well when you guys sign up in our link in bio and you place your email address. So now Tiffany's mixing in the mixture. So again, as you can see, our consistency, and she already mixed in the essential oils also. Do you want to add some more sugar, or you're fine with that?
I think it's looking good.
Okay, so then we might, yep, you can add the sprinkles if you want. You can put it back in the jar if you want, whatever works best for you guys.
So if you want to make it a little bit more festive, just find some fun sprinkles, add them in, mix it up a little bit more. And then like we did on our finished product, as you could see, we tossed a few on top so it looks really fun and cute when you open it. So you mix it all back up, pour it back in your jar.
And then once you're done with that, I'll go ahead and put the next mixture in there. And this is such a fun idea, you know, to give to one of your girlfriends. Maybe you can gift one to your mom if you'd like, but it's a really nice idea for you guys to have. Sorry, let me borrow that. For you guys to have, you know, to give to a friend or to your mom if you guys just want to do a nice fun gift for someone who just wants to be pampered. So I'll just go ahead and mix this in here. So this is our other coconut oil, and then we're gonna add the rest of that sugar, which is another cup of sugar. And then we'll just go ahead and mix this in here.
And again, one more time, you can find the recipe and the printables by visiting our link in bio, clicking on the link, entering your email address, and we will send you everything you need, the printables as well as the recipe.
So I'm just mixing mine up. So as you can see, this consistency is different. So again, if you guys want more sugar, more coconut oil, whatever works best for you guys. So I'm just trying to mix it up. I'm also getting in my arm workouts while I'm doing this. So just mixing it. Tiffany made this look so easy.
Oh. Well, we hope you guys have so much fun making these. We can't wait to see how they turn out. Be sure to tag us at Decor Steals. Use hashtag HomeWithHeart and hashtag Decor Steals, Decor Steals Addict. As you can see, Francis is adding in the oils now.
So we added about 8 to 10. Right now, I did not count how many I just put in there. I just really like the scent of lavender. That's why I was just dousing it in there. But 8 to 10 drops is good enough. And again, you guys can mix whatever essential oils you guys like in there. So I'm just mixing it in there.
And when you get the printables and print them out, you'll receive both the cards for the donuts as well as the scrubs. And you simply just cut along the lines to cut them out, use a little hole punch to put a hole, find some cute twine or ribbon, and just tie it on. Makes for such a cute little gift.
And there you have it. So we showed you guys our cute donut video and then our sugar scrub video. And then again, you guys can go to our link in bio if you want to go ahead, grab these printables, And also the recipe for the sugar scrub, you just enter your email address, and again, you guys cut them out, and there you go, you have a fun Valentine's Day idea.
Be sure to share photos with us. Use hashtag #HomeWithHeart, tag Decor Steals, hashtag Decor Steals, hashtag Decor Steals Addict. We can't wait to see how your projects turn out. Happy Valentine's Day.
Bye guys.